Here's a guided 10-minute calm meditation. Find a quiet, comfortable spot to sit or lie down. Close your eyes and take deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. Feel your body relax, starting from your toes and moving up to your head. Focus on your breath, noticing its rhythm and sensation. When your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your breath. Allow yourself to be present in this moment. Choose a calming phrase, such as "I am peaceful" or "I am calm." Repeat this phrase to yourself, allowing its meaning to sink in. Feel your body and mind relax further. Imagine yourself in a peaceful environment, such as a beach or forest. Use all your senses to experience this place. Allow yourself to feel calm and serene. Reflect on things you're grateful for. Slowly open your eyes and take a deep breath. Notice how you feel and carry this calmness with you. Remember, meditation is a practice, and it's okay if your mind wanders. Gently bring your focus back and enjoy the calmness. Here are some self-encouraging words and phrases you can say to your inner self during meditation. These phrases can help you cultivate a positive mindset. Calm your thoughts and connect with your inner self during meditation. Feel free to experiment and find the phrases that resonate with you the most. I am calm and at peace. Breathe in peace, breathe out stress. My body is relaxed, my mind is calm. I trust in the present moment. I let go of worries and doubts. I am strong and capable. I trust myself and my abilities. I'm worthy of love and respect. I choose to let go of fear and anxiety. I am enough just as I am. I am here in this moment. My feet are grounded. My heart is centered. I focus on my breath. I am present. I am connected to the earth and its energy. I am calm. I am centered. I am at peace. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be at peace. I offer kindness and compassion to myself and others. May we all be free from suffering and pain. I cultivate love and understanding in my heart. I wish happiness and peace for all beings. Remember, meditation is a practice, and it's okay if your mind wanders. Gently bring your focus back and enjoy the calmness. Thanks for participating. If you find this useful, please subscribe this channel for more impactful content.